This video explains how to set up the documents to send home to parents at the end of the year. So we'll go to Math, Map Growth, Reports. Okay, and let's have a look for the report that we want. We want the student progress report, because this will actually generate a document for each student, which the profile won't. So this is the easiest one to send home. And we need to set it for spring. Aspirants, next. And basically you can generate one massive file with everyone, and then give that to IT. But you need to select the following. We want fall to spring, which is fine. And we need line. That's important because it's easier to understand, I think. And one PDF per student. And you create the PDF report. As usual, you can find it in the reports queue, and that'll be your main report. What I did this year is put it in the ASV data file. So if you go to map data, let's see, we've got spring, middle school, high school, and I put it in a separate file. Now you don't have to put this one here, but we need it to send home. So what you've got in there is, I did both whole list and by separate classes. You don't need to do that, obviously. You need to do one or the other. And here is the copy of the email to parents. You'll have to adapt that and sign it with your name and email, etc. Because Enrique needs this to be able to send them all home. Okay, so that is how we send the map data home.